Hello everyone, hope you're fine. In this small and quick video, I would like to show you how we can use the pwd command and the pwd with the -p option. So first of all, if I type the command pwd, and pwd stands for print working directory. So to print the name of current working directory, I type pwd with no option, like this. So now I'm working under the directory /home /ec2 -user. So for example, if I want to change the directory with the cd command /etc like this, and now if I retype the pwd command, so now I'm under the directory /etc. So, and now I'm under the /home /ec2 -user. So that's fine for the pwd. It's easy, I suppose. So I'm going to clear my screen. And now, why using pwd minus capital P? And P stands for physical. So let's show you why we can use this option and how. So the first thing I want to do to create with the command mkdir a directory, this directory. So I have created the directory dir, and then I want to create a symbolic link. So like this with the command ln -s for a symbolic link, then dir, and the name of the symbolic link, it will be link -dir, like this. I verify the creation with ll or ls -l, and as you can see, d here for directory, minus for a file, ordinary file, and L for the symbolic link. So that's minus L. So if I use cd link -dir, now I change the directory, and here if I type pwd, the pwd will print the name of current working directory. So this command doesn't matter if I use symbolic link or not. pwd only with no option print directly the name of current working directory. So now I'm working under /home /ec2 -user /link -dir. If I want to verify if this folder link or directory link -dir, it's a symbolic link, and I want to know that the path, or that the path, for example, the original path, I want to know the original path, I can use pwd minus capital P like this. And now this command will show me the path to the original folder for the linked folder. So pwd will show me directly the path of the original dir for the linked -dir, just by using or adding the minus capital P option. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.